Ninja Air Fryer AF141 Review Fire 4-in-1 Pro Air Fry, Roast, Reheat and Dehydrate. Is this the best 5QD air fryer? Looking for a powerful, compact, and versatile air fryer that can handle crispy fries, juicy chicken, reheating leftovers, and even dehydrating snacks? In this in-depth Ninja Air Fryer AF141 review, we break down everything you need to know about this 4-in-1 Pro Air Fryer. With a 5-quart capacity, 400 degrees Fahrenheit maximum temperature, and a non-stick basket and crisper plate, the Ninja AF141 is designed for fast, even cooking with little to no oil. In this video, you'll discover how it performs in real-life cooking, who it's best for, its pros and cons, cooking tips, and whether it's worth your money. Backhand index pointing right, perfect for busy families, home cooks, fitness lovers, and anyone who wants healthier fried food without sacrificing taste. Are you tired of greasy food but still crave that perfect crunch? Do you want faster meals without sacrificing flavor? And are you wondering if the Ninja Air Fryer AF141 is actually worth the hype? Then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the Ninja 4-in-1 Pro Air Fryer AF141, a powerful kitchen appliance that promises to air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate, all in one compact machine. In this complete, no-fluff, long-form review, we'll cover everything from design and features to real-world cooking performance, maintenance, pros and cons, and who should buy it. So grab a seat, hit that like button, and let's get started. What is the Ninja Air Fryer AF141? The Ninja Air Fryer AF141 is a 4-in-1 Pro Air Fryer designed to make cooking faster, healthier, and more convenient. Unlike traditional deep fryers that rely on large amounts of oil, this air fryer uses superheated air circulation to create crispy, golden results with up to 75% less fat than traditional frying methods. This model comes with a 5-quart capacity, which is large enough to cook up to 4 pounds of French fries or several servings of chicken, vegetables, or snacks in one batch. The AF141 is part of Ninja's trusted kitchen appliance lineup, known for durability, performance, and user-friendly design. Design and build quality. Let's start with the design. The Ninja AF141 features a modern gray finish that fits beautifully into almost any kitchen style, whether modern, minimalist, or traditional. It has a compact footprint, meaning it doesn't dominate your countertop, yet it still offers generous internal capacity. The exterior feels solid and premium, not cheap or flimsy. The control panel is intuitive, with clearly labeled buttons for each cooking function. The basket handle is sturdy and heat-resistant, making it easy to pull out even during cooking. 4-in-1 cooking functions explained. One of the biggest selling points of the Ninja AF141 is its 4-in-1 functionality. Let's break each mode down. Keycap 1 Air Fry Mode. This is the star of the show. Air Fry Mode uses rapid hot air circulation at temperatures up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit to cook food evenly and crisp it beautifully. Perfect for French fries, chicken wings, nuggets, onion rings, mozzarella sticks. You get that satisfying crunch without deep frying in oil. Keycap 2 Roast Mode. Roasting in an air fryer might sound unusual, but Ninja does it exceptionally well. Roast mode is ideal for whole or chopped vegetables, chicken breasts or thighs, fish fillets, pork chops. The even heat distribution ensures food cooks thoroughly while retaining moisture. Keycap 3 Reheat Mode. Forget soggy leftovers from the microwave. Reheat mode revives pizza slices, fried chicken, fries, burgers. Food comes out hot, crispy, and fresh, almost like it was just cooked. Keycap 4 Dehydrate Mode. This is a hidden gem feature. Dehydrate mode allows you to make dried fruits, create veggie chips, prepare beef jerky, dry herbs. It runs at lower temperatures for longer periods, preserving nutrients and flavor. Capacity and cooking performance. The 5QD capacity is ideal for small to medium families, meal prep, couples, health-focused individuals. You can easily cook up to 4 pounds of French fries, 6 to 8 chicken wings at once, multiple servings of vegetables. Performance-wise, the Ninja AF141 heats up quickly and maintains consistent temperature throughout the cooking process. Food cooks evenly without constant shaking or flipping, although occasional tossing improves results for fries. Health benefits of air frying. One of the biggest reasons people switch to air fryers is health, and the Ninja AF141 delivers. Benefits include up to 75% less oil, lower calorie intake, reduced saturated fats, less mess and smell. For fitness enthusiasts, busy parents, or anyone watching their diet, this air fryer is a game changer. 6 ease of use. Using the Ninja AF141 is incredibly simple. Steps: plug it in, place food in the basket, select a function, set temperature and time, press start. The controls are responsive, and the display is easy to read. No learning curve. No complicated manuals. Cleaning and maintenance. Cleaning is one of the most underrated features, and Ninja nailed it. The basket and crisper plate are non-stick, dishwasher safe, easy to wipe clean, no scrubbing, no soaking, no frustration, noise level. Compared to many air fryers, the Ninja AF141 operates at a moderate noise level. You'll hear the fan, but it's not disruptive and far quieter than traditional deep fryers. Energy efficiency. With 120V power, the Ninja AF141 is energy efficient and cooks food faster than ovens, saving both time and electricity. Pros and cons. White heavy checkmark pros. 4-in-1 functionality. Fast and even cooking. Large 5 QD capacity. Easy to clean. Healthy cooking. Trusted Ninja brand. Crossmark cons. No digital touchscreen. Single basket, not dual zone. Takes counter space. Who should buy the Ninja AF141? This air fryer is perfect for busy professionals, families, students, health-conscious eaters, beginner cooks, anyone upgrading from a basic air fryer. Final verdict. The Ninja Air Fryer AF141 is a powerful, reliable, and versatile kitchen appliance that delivers excellent results across all 4 cooking functions. If you want healthier meals, faster cooking, crispy texture, minimal cleanup, then this air fryer is absolutely worth it. And that wraps up our complete Ninja Air Fryer AF141 review. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite air fryer recipe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.